Are we rolling?
I wanna get away, but I could use some company if you're alone like me.
Hey, what's up, beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. I'm coming to you guys with a new series. What are we gonna call this one? Cooking with Kesha. We're gonna call it Cooking with Kesha. I have tons of recipes that I want to share with you guys. Obviously, I do my full day of eating, but this is gonna be more of a breakdown of specific recipes each episode. Now, some of the recipes are gonna be healthy and some are gonna be not so healthy. But just to kick off the series, we're gonna start with a nice, quick, easy, simple, healthy recipe. And we are going to be making chicken lettuce wraps. Now, of course, before we get into this recipe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, hit that post notification bell so you know when I'm posting, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, just really quickly, let me take you through what we're gonna be using. We have some ground chicken, some water chestnuts, some green onions, we have a yellow onion, and some garlic. Now, I did forget ginger, so today I'm gonna actually be using ground ginger. But if you get fresh ginger, that's even better. So we have our extra virgin olive oil, we have some rice wine vinegar, some salt, some black pepper, garlic powder, low sodium soy sauce, and some Hoisin sauce. So make sure you check the description box down below for the measurements for everything that I use. I don't always measure out my food, but I'll make sure to give you guys some measurements down below. I start off by heating up just about a tablespoon of olive oil. Okay, maybe that's a little bit more than a tablespoon, but whatever. So now we're getting ready to add our ground chicken and some of our seasoning. So let me go ahead and slap this bad boy open. Go in with our sea salt, some garlic powder, and some black pepper. And while that's browning, I'm going to chop up my onion and my fresh garlic. Now this onion is massive, so I'm gonna use about half of it. It was rotten. So I have some minced garlic. I always keep some of this in the refrigerator, so we're using this. But if you have fresh garlic, use fresh garlic. Mine was just disgusting, and I just bought it yesterday, so yeah. All right, really quickly, I'll just take you through everything. We got the onion chopped up. We have the yellow and the green onion and the water chestnuts all chopped up. So we're getting ready to add this, as well as this minced garlic, to the ground chicken. All right, so now we're gonna go in with a couple tablespoons of soy sauce. About a tablespoon of rice wine vinegar. Fourth of a cup of Hoisin. Ooh. Put some of that back. There we go. Go in with some ground ginger. And so right now we're gonna add our yellow onion and only part of the green onions. I made it cut up a little bit too much, so we're not gonna use the whole thing. So this is what we're currently looking like. I'm going to cook this down until the onions are translucent, and then I'm going to go in and add in the water chestnuts. I'm going to be adding in a little bit of sriracha, not too much, just a little. Just for a little spice. So now I'm going to dump in the water chestnuts. Oh shit. I'll do this with one hand. So it's not done yet. The water chestnuts are still pretty firm, but I'm just gonna do a quick little taste test to see if I need to add in any more salt or pepper or anything else to it. No, nothing else. Now I do like a little bit of crunch, so I'm gonna take mine off, but if you don't like too much crunch or you don't like your water chestnuts super firm, you can cook it down a little bit longer. You don't want to go and add this straight to the lettuce. You want to let it cool off completely, otherwise it's going to wilt your lettuce. So I leave this on the stove to cool down a little bit while I clean my kitchen.
Baby, you're everything I want, let's give it some time, yeah. Somebody told me I should hit and run, but they don't know, they don't know, they don't know. Nobody knows but us, how we roll, how we roll. Nobody knows what we got but us, but us. Let them keep talking, let them believe that they know, 'cause they don't, no they don't, no they don't. Let them.
Alright, so the last things we need to finish this off is, of course, it's a lettuce wrap, so you need your lettuce. You can use butter lettuce, romaine, it doesn't matter, just get you some lettuce. I'm using romaine lettuce, and then I'm also going to top it off with some green onions as well.
Then we get disturbed. So many people let me know I should bounce from you.
So here we got the chicken mixture. It's nice and cooled off. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and scoop it into my lettuce. So these are kind of small and not very deep, so I'm just gonna like double up with each one.
Nobody knows but us, how we roll, how we roll. Nobody knows what we got but us, but us. Let them keep talking.
Here is the finished product. We got our chicken lettuce wraps. Now this literally took, with prep and all, maybe 20 minutes, and that's cooking time, prep and all. So super quick, super simple, and it's so good. Let's get some green onions. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. That wraps up episode 1 of my new series, Cooking with Kesha. I have so many recipes coming for you guys, so don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, hit that notification bell so you know when I'm posting, and don't forget to subscribe.
I wanna get away, but I could use some company. If you're alone like me, we could go on a trip. Girl, I wanna see the sun.